researchers have developed a faster and cheaper way to print tiny metal structures using light. This breakthrough could revolutionize the manufacturing industry by making it easier to produce complex metal parts on a large scale. The new technique, called direct laser writing, uses a laser to create a pattern on a photosensitive material, which is then transformed into a metal structure through a chemical process. This process is much faster and more cost-effective than traditional methods, which often involve multiple steps and expensive equipment. The researchers believe that this technology could be used to create a wide range of products, from electronics to medical devices. With further development, this new printing method could have a significant impact on various industries, making it easier and more affordable to produce intricate metal structures. To stay updated on the latest advancements in AI tech, science research, and more, subscribe to our channel and like and share this video. Remember, knowledge is power.